Evaluate the expression without using a calculator. So our expression is 8 root 3 times sine cube of 60 degrees divided by root 3 times cos of 30 degrees minus cot square of 45 degrees. So how do we do this without a calculator? If only there was a way using which we could figure out how much is sine 60, how much is cos 30 and how much is cot 45, we could do this in the blink of an eye. Hey, but wait, we do know what these values are. And thanks to two very special right triangles, one is a 30-60-90 triangle and a 45-45-90 triangle, we know the side ratios of these triangles, and using this, we can easily figure out these values. So in a 30-60-90 right triangle, if the side opposite to the 30-degree angle is 1 units long, the side opposite to the 60-degree angle would be root 3 units, and the side opposite to the 90-degree angle or the hypotenuse is 2 units long. And in a 45-45-90 triangle, if the side opposite to the 45-degree angle is 1 units long, then the side opposite to the other 45 degrees angle would also be 1 units, since this is an isosceles triangle, and using Pythagoras theorem, the side opposite to the right angle would be root 2 units. And to understand why do these triangles have their sides in these specific ratios, I highly recommend watching other videos on trigonometry in Khan Academy. So moving on, as we have the side ratios and the angles, we can use SOHCAHTOA to find the trigonometric ratios related to these angles. So now the next item on the agenda is to pick up the values that we need over here in this expression from our list and then simplify this expression. So why don't you pause this video and give it a go? So let's do this together. In the numerator, we have 8 root 3 times sine cube of 60 degrees. So how much is sine 60 degrees first? So from this table, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So sine cube of 60 is root 3 by 2 cube. And in the denominator we have root 3 cos of 30 degrees. And cos of 30 according to this table is again root 3 by 2. So root 3 times root 3 by 2. And then we have cot square 45. Again looking into the table, cot 45 is 1. So cot square 45 would be 1 square. Now all that we need to do is simplify this expression. Let's do that. So in the numerator I have 8 root 3 times root 3 by 2 cube would be 3 root 3 by 8. And then in the denominator I have root 3 times root 3 by 2, which would be 3 by 2 minus 1 square is 1. So over here, I have 8 in the numerator and the denominator. So here I'll be left with root 3 times 3 root 3, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. So I have 9 in the numerator, and in the denominator I have 3 by 2 minus 1. So if I take LCM, which is 2, then I'll be left with 3 minus 2, which is 1 by 2. So I have 1 by 2 in the denominator, and on simplifying this I get 9 times 2, which is 18. So the value of our expression over here is 18, and we did this without using calculator. So yay! So you don't need to memorize this table over here. You can always use these triangles to find out how much these ratios are. And then using this, you can easily figure out the trigonometric ratios of certain angles.